Good evening, student. This is class 12th important topic, chemical properties of amines. So many students told me to prepare video on this, so I'm making a video of preparation properties of amine. Amines is basic in nature. They form different compound when react with other. So properties of amines are as follows. Number one, most important reaction, carbyl-amine reaction. Carbyl-amine reaction. First of all, you must know why this reaction is called carbyl-amine. In the reaction, primary amine react with chloroform in presence of any alkali like NaOH or KOH. It form isocyanide. The formula RNC. But the reaction's name is called carbylamine because in IUPAC, isocyanides are called carbylamine. When we write the reaction, R single bond NH2, this is primary amine, react with chloroform. Formula of chloroform is CHCl3. In presence of KOH, you can take NaOH also, alcoholic. 3 molecules will be used here. So R single bond NC. What is this? Isocyanide. 3KCl plus 3H2O will also form. This is called alkyl isocyanide. This alkyl isocyanide is common name. Its IUPAC name is alkyl carbylamine. Due to its IUPAC name and its very foul, very unpleasant, very obnoxious smell, they are famous, and the reaction is famous due to this compound only. That's why the name of the reaction is carbylamine reaction. This reaction is especially used in the distinguishing primary, secondary and tertiary amine. This reaction is not shown by the secondary amine or tertiary amine. If you want to distinguish between primary and secondary amine or primary and tertiary amines, so you can use this reaction. At that time, you can say by using carbylamine test. I am writing example of this. CH3 single bond NH2. This is primary amine and its IUPAC name is methenamine plus chloroform, that is CHCl3 in presence of KOH, alcoholic. So you can get CH3 single bond NC plus 3KCl plus 3H2. This compound is very poisonous and very unpleasant smell, known as methyl carbylamine. Suppose you are taking CH3 single bond NH single bond CH3. This is secondary amine. It will not react with chloroform and it will not form carbylamine. So if you want to distinguish between methylamine and dimethylamine, so you can use this test, that will be called carbalamine test. We can also use here aromatic primary amine, that is aniline. I am writing the example of aromatic amine. Aniline has formula C6H5NH2, or you can write like this. This is benzene ring, single bond NH2. When this react with chloroform in presence of, I am writing here NaOH in this time. Last two times I have taken KOH. So ring or C6H5, whatever you want to write, NC plus 3 NaCl plus 3 H2O will form. The name of this compound is phenyl carbalamine. Common name is phenyl isocyanide. So this is the first chemical property of amine. This is the most important reaction and mostly asked in the board exams and other competition. Next chemical property is the reaction with nitrous acid. Amines react with nitrous acid in cold condition, form alcohol. If you are taking aliphatic amine reaction with nitrous acid, HNO2, this is nitrous acid. Primary amine, that's mean RNH2 react with HNO2, form R single bond OH plus N2 plus H2O. Alcohol will form. This reaction you have studied in alcohol chapter also, but keep in your mind, you have to take only aliphatic amine here. Aliphatic amine. Aromatic amine do not form alcohol because they form diazonium salt when treated with nitrous acid in presence of hydrochloric acid. I am writing example here, CH3 single bond NH2. What will be the name of this? Methenamine. Common name is methylamine. React with nitrous acid HNO2. It gives CH3 single bond OH plus N2 plus H2O. This is methanol. Methanol, poisonous alcohol, first member of alcohol series, or you can say methyl alcohol. Another example, when react with ethylamine and nitrous acid. See here, ethylamine or ethanamine, CH3 CH2 single bond NH2 plus HNO2, it gives CH3 CH2OH, means this NH2 group will be converted into alcohol group plus N2 plus H2O. This is ethanol. So dear student, in this video I have given you two chemical properties of amine. In the coming video, according to you, what do you want to study? Send me in the comment section. I will send you the more chemical properties of amine. Thank you. Good night.